What's going on, guys? Welcome to your 13th and last part of our animation tutorials for now. And in this tutorial we're going to be finishing up this Bucky class and finally running our animation that we have been working so hard for. So let's just make one more method, the draw method, and this is going to be the easiest method ever. Make it public void, just name it draw. We have to, since we named this draw up here. And of course it's going to take that G graphics parameter. So graphics G, and in your body go ahead and we need to draw the background in whatever the image is. So put G dot draw image, and yep, it's gonna give me like 8,000 parameters. I had a feeling that would happen. Draw image, and of course the image you want to draw the background at 0 0 since you want to appear in the top left, and just put null. Don't need to worry about that. And now what it's going to draw is G dot draw image, get about 1,000,000 parameters, and then go ahead and type in, for your first one, you wanna draw this image depending on what the image is, either me with my eyes closed or open, and we don't know. We're going to let our program decide that. So what we do is we made a method in our animation, if you can remember, called get image. That's why we made that, and we want it to draw at, well, we'll just draw it at 0 0 to make it easier. And for your image observer, just put null. And if you're remembering, alright, this A get image, let's see if I can find it right here, it gets the current image. So depending on whether it needs me with my eyes closed or eyes open, that's what one it gets. So now when you draw image, you don't have to write code in here. All you have to write is that one method, and it gets the image to draw and draws it out. So that is actually all we need to do for this tutorial, all the coding. The only thing I'm going to do now is test this baby out, and I know you guys can't see it, but let me tell you if it works. Yep, what I see is my background gradient and me with my eyes closed, eyes open, eyes closed, eyes open, eyes closed, eyes open. And it does that for 5 seconds. So that's why your screen turned black for 5 seconds. And here's a little visual representation of what I'm actually seeing. So it starts out me, and I would have a background, of course, aside from white, and it pretty much looks like this. Eyes closed, eyes open, eyes closed, eyes open, eyes closed, eyes open. And I took these screenshots before, so you know, that's why I'm able to do this. But I know you guys can't see when I show you on this tutorial. Whenever we do the animations, kind of sucks, but hey, with my screen recorder software, you got to deal with it, I guess. I'm trying. So that is how you pretty much animate cartoon style or still static animation, whatever you want to call it, in Java. There's also animation where you have like a face like this, and instead of just changing the image itself, it would like move around the screen, and that's what animation we're going to be learning later on. And both of these are very necessary to Java. And if you're wondering, alright, do you ever use a style of animation? Heck yeah. Like in Super Mario Brothers, where it's like the same image, but he has like his arms up and down when he's running. What they did is they just took one image and they changed his arms and legs to give us the appearance of him running. So if we ever wanted to do something like that, like make a cartoon character run, this is the kind of animation we would use. We would change the picture itself and also change the location, and that would give the appearance of him running. So you know, it's really useful. So I would suggest watching all these tutorials again until you fully understand and got a good grasp, and then you're ready to move on to the next series or next tutorial in my game programming. But thank you guys for watching right now. I can't wait to get more in depth and start creating some awesome stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next tutorial.